welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add a favicon on your GoDaddy website. So let's get into it. First, you will go to godaddy.com and you will land right here. Then you're gonna open up your website builder and get to the website where you want to add the favicon. So this is my website right here, and at this side of the screen you can see we have websites, theme, and setting. So you're going to navigate to the settings right here. In settings, we have a bunch of different settings given. We have publish option, then we have a site profile. In site profile, you will be able to find the option of favicon right here, which is the third option. So you're going to select it right here. Make your website look more professional by adding a unique icon in the browser tab for your website. So it shows here, right here in the browser tab. Upload a square image. Recommended dimension is 180 by 180. So we have the upload option. You're just going to click on upload and it will allow you to select a file from your computer. So I have added this image right here. Let's say this is where you will add your logo to make your website look more professional. So I have added right here. Click on done and a favicon will be added to your website. So once you publish your website, it will be shown right here in the browser tab. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.